we'll guide you through how to stop Dropbox from syncing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox application on your desktop. Once you're in, look for the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar, depending on whether you're using Windows or Mac OS. Click that Dropbox icon to bring up the Dropbox menu. You'll see a gear icon or a three-dot menu, usually at the top right corner of this menu. Click on it to access more options. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This will open up a new window with several tabs. You want to go to the Sync tab. Here, you'll see a section labeled Selective Sync or Pause Syncing. If you want to temporarily stop syncing without affecting your files, click on Pause Syncing. This will halt any syncing activities until you resume them. If you are looking to stop syncing specific folders, click on Selective Sync. A list of your folders will appear, and you can uncheck any folder that you don't want to sync with your computer. Once you've made your selection, click Update or OK to save your changes. For those using Dropbox's latest features, you might also notice a Network tab where you can manage bandwidth settings. Limiting the bandwidth can also effectively slow down syncing if that's what you're aiming for. Remember, stopping sync can help save bandwidth and improve system performance if you're working on a limited connection or a slower computer. Once you've made these changes, you should see a significant difference in your Dropbox syncing activity. There you have it. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.